you. Take it down.
Good, thank you.
It is hot. So I just got back from Starbucks. I got my usual. So I'm recording a video on TikTok. Hold on. I'm recording a video right now for TikTok to say how much I spend in a day. So it's kind of difficult trying to vlog and do this video. So hold on.
Eat it, don't throw that away.
Okay, so I just got done eating. I have about 30 minutes before my class starts. I usually get to school this early just because I can eat and relax. So I'm about to try my matcha. Hopefully they can make it because a lot of baristas do not know how to make this drink. So, and unfortunately they have any more strawberry acids. I don't understand what's going on. I know they're getting sued over it, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. So this looks so healthy, huh? I want my money back. This is exactly what I'm talking about. People don't know how to make this drink. It tastes like oh, I'm so disappointed. I am so disappointed right now. Oh my god, I'm so disappointed. Anyway, I wasted my money. Anyway. Oh shit, that is crazy. So, what a day. I was really looking forward to today and all the filming and all that. And every time I get excited about something happens that I don't like. You know what I mean? And this hat, I know, this is a wig. My hair is a mess. I just got my braids. So, my hair appointment is not until Saturday. So I have to deal with this until then. And this whole weekend, unfortunately, I had to work. I could not request these days off. Usually, I request the days off, I usually do a pop-up or something. But this week is gonna be so freaking busy. So, let me break it down. So, I go to school twice a day. I mean, twice a day, oh my God. Twice a week, I go to school, right? And then, the other days I usually work or do pop-up. So after work, I have to buy some new hair, get my eyebrows done. This is the kicker. This is what's gonna stress me the hell out. So on Sunday, you guys, if you miss my page, you wanna know this, but me and my mom have our own marketplace, right? But we have 2 other business partners, and so we have an event that day. It's over at 7. My flight leaves at 11 o'clock that same day. So I'm gonna leave the event probably around 6:30 the latest, and then go to LAX. and then my flight leaves at 11. I had to take 2 flights to get to Puerto Rico, and then yeah. And I still haven't packed yet. I don't even know what I'm wearing actually. And I'm really upset. Well, I'm not really upset, but there's nothing I can do about it. But I'm gonna be it's gonna be that time of the month while I'm on vacation from my calculator. So I'm not gonna be able to dress freely like I want to. So that's why I'm like a little annoyed. There's nothing I can do. Okay. I really don't like this drink. I really don't. I want to make a review on this one. I'm so upset. So yeah, anyway, I need to do some promoting right now. I'm trying to post every day on YouTube to see if my channel grows, because a lot of people have been saying that's why I'm stuck where I'm at right now. So I'm trying this new way of posting every day. It is difficult, but now that I have a schedule, it's working out. Like, it doesn't really, that make any sense? Like, it's like I don't need to be motivated to create something, because I know I have to post every day, and I have stuff scheduled all the way until Sunday. So after Sunday I have to start really working and editing all that stuff and have it for the following week. So it's working out in that sense, but I still need to do homework and all that. This is my senior year. This is my senior year. I am going to graduate. But I need to balance homework. That's the only thing, and studying into my schedule. But so far, working the pop-ups and running the business is still a little difficult. I run other Instagram pages. So it's the only thing I need to balance. Okay guys, so I utilized all that time to upload video, oh my god, I can't even speak, to create content for all of my social media platforms. Now it's time to go to class. So yeah, I like stuff like this, getting stuff accomplished. I love it. So let's go. I'm gonna fix my shirt. You know, I have to, you know, show them. Great, I was running to class, and today class is freaking canceled. So as you can see, my second class was canceled for today. Everything was working out, because now I'm going to run to the post office real quick, ship an order. Only one person placed an order over the weekend. I'm still grateful. I'm so grateful. And so then I have more time to kill. So when I get back here, we can go to the library, because I have a research paper. I can't even speak. A research paper that I have to do, and they want us to go to the library. So if I go chill in the library for a minute, get some content, because you know that's like, I have to. And then we'll continue this day. Everything's gonna work out in my favor. That's done. This wig is not it. It's hot on my neck. But okay, so we're about to head back to class. Oh my god, head back to school, and then I'm gonna go to the library, chill for a minute, try to get some work done. Okay, so we're here. So I usually go over there. It's like sitting area, so you can't really see over there. But I need to charge my phone, so I've been on my phone literally all day today. So I'm gonna just stand up and eat. Like, yeah, we're gonna stand up. See. You can give me like any sauces. It is so hot. I know I've been complaining all day, but it's so hot. Hold up, I need to record this real quick. It's like so hard to record this video for TikTok. I don't know why it's been so difficult. See? Let me raise this just a little bit. Better. Lighting is horrible though. Eat my lunch slash dinner, and I'm just sitting down at the bench. I underestimated my time. Like I thought I was in a rush. It's my hair. I thought I was in a rush, so that's why I planned it out the way I did. But now like class starts at 6. It's only 4. Wait, I'm sure you guys see my message, but it's only 4:39. I was gonna go to get a smoothie in here, but I wanted a wellness shot. They didn't have any, so I got so disappointed and I just walked out. So now I'm just sitting here. I was checking my messages and I was on TikTok. Oh, another thing why I was upset is because I wanted to end, you guys know I was recording what I spend in a day as an adult college student. I think that's the name of my little series. I wanted to end it with them, but they don't have a freaking wellness shot. And that's really the main thing what I wanted. I hate how this camera is. I don't know if I have to fix the settings or what. It is still hot. I feel like Vegas out here.
For a while, yeah.
I don't know where else I can go to get a wellness shot from. But anyway, enough about this wellness shot. So I have, like I said, one more class and then I'll be done for the day. When I get home, I'm just gonna edit. I have 2 vlogs to edit. Yesterday I filmed a mini shopping haul. You guys are, this is actually really annoying me. I'm probably gonna move. I need somewhere with more sun. Anyway. Okay, so yeah, yesterday I filmed a try-on shopping haul and I feel like it looks good. And then I have a paper. I have one paper that I have to work on. It's not due to next Tuesday, but mind you, next Tuesday I'm gonna be in Puerto Rico, so of course I want that money. Oh, I said money. You see where I'm at. I want that video to be. I want that paper to be done for. I want the paper done as soon as possible. My mind, child, my mind. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to class. Class is literally around the corner. I had to buy a water because I'm so dehydrated. I'm not doing anything else today. I'm just gonna edit vlogs and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's video.